Hello children, welcome back to the next session. In the previous class we have learned in the mathematics class the addition and the subtractions. Okay children, today we are going to learn the multiplication. Okay ma? Multiplications. Multiplication. In previous class I told you we have learned that addition means what? Repeated numbers. Okay, putting the things together is called addition. Here the multiplication is related to the addition children. Okay ma? Things here 2 plus 3, here 2 balls and plus 3 balls. If we put together 2 and 3 put together, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, equal to 5 balls. In addition, if we put together more you will get. In the same as here multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. Okay, repeated addition. We can't repeat the number so many times. So in a short form we can do it in multiplication. Okay. Repeated addition. Not writing now. Is called multiplication. Okay children. The symbol for the multiplication is X. Okay? Symbol. We have learned that in the addition, plus. Like this, if we cross it, it is called X. X in the alphabet, X is there. No? X. The symbol. Repeated addition. I told you has the repeated addition is nothing but, see my children, here if we want to repeat, they have one chocolate, and I gave to my friend one chocolate, mama one chocolate, papa one chocolate, brother, like that, repeated addition. Okay, how many times I am repeating the 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times repeating. Here in the multiplication, what we will do, the number which we are repeating, it will be divided into the groups. Okay, here say one single digit. One number how many times? 6. 1 into 6. 6. Okay children. In the same way, if I have taken the apples, 1 apple, 2 apple, 3 apples. Here one row I have 3 apples. See children, 3 apples. How many groups? I did 1, 2, 3 groups. 3 into 3. Okay ma? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. 1 apple into 3 times. 3 times apples. 3. See, 1 group. Here 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups. In each group 3 apples. Okay, 3 apples into 3 times. Okay, repeated addition is nothing but multiplication, and the multiplication symbol is X. Children, here 2 into 3. 2 times 2. How many times? 3 times. Okay. Is also 6. In the same addition, 2 plus 5, 5 plus 2, how you can reverse the numbers? See children, 3 plus 2 plus symbol, you will get the 5. Same as 2 plus 3 equal to 5. The same, reciprocal. Like this, here also, if we multiply the the reciprocal, you will get the same answer. The number into 2 groups or the group into how many numbers, the same answer you will get. Here, what we will call the factors, ma. Symbol, the answer 6. Okay. Here, this is called the factors. Factors. Okay children, factors. And the answer what you will get is called the product. From where you will get the product, children? Pen factory, chocolate factory, biscuits factory. Like that, we here with the factors only we will get the product. The product will be coming from the factories. These are called the factors. Factors of 2 means we have to write 2. Well, okay. And this is the answer. The answer is called the product. Whereas in the addition, sum we will call. Okay. The answer we will call the sum. Here we will call the product. Understand children? And one more thing in this multiplication. Whereas in addition, if you add 2 things, it will double. Yes or no? No. If you add 1 plus 1, same number 2. But here in the multiplication, only the same number 1. If we add in the addition, the 36 plus 1, next number you will get 37. But here in the multiplication, 36 1, 36. This is the difference you can find. The same number. Here, whereas the next number you will get in the addition more, but in the multiplication the same number, children. Because it is related to the addition with adding the more numbers, that's why I am saying the addition also here. Okay ma children? Just reminding you the addition, how to reminding the addition problems also. Okay, but no need of that. Just to get the difference between the addition and the multiplication. Repeated addition is nothing but multiplication. Okay, it is related to the addition. So I told you the addition, but don't do that. Multiplication. If you multiply the number, any number with 1, you will get the same number. Remember that. 1 into 100, you will get the same 100. 59 into 1 equal to 59. The same number you will get when multiply with the same number. 3 into 1, 3. 1 into 8, 8. The same number you will get, children, here. Okay, multiply 1, you will get the same number. You can do the multiplication with the help of tables. If you learn the tables, you will do the multiplication problems very easily. Okay, children? When you will multiply with any number 0, you will get the same number, ma. 50 into 0. 50. 1 also same number. Okay. Here I am writing 2 and 3 tables. Be perfect with that and come, children. If you are perfect with the tables, you can write, you can do the multiplication easily. 2 into 1, I told the same number you will get. 2 twos are. Here 4, double. 2 threes are, 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 twos. Here you can multiply with skip counting. Skip counting. Next number you are skipping. Alternate. 4, 2, 3 not there. 4. Only 2. 3, 4. Next 2. 5, 6. Next 2. 7, 8. Next 2. Like that. Okay. Skip counting you can do, ma. 2 6 are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 8s are 8 no are 2 times 8s. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 2 into 9s 18. 2 tens 2 times 2 tens. How many times 2? 10 20. You are skipping the 2's here. 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 threes are. How many times you are counting that are? 2 fours are, 2 za, 2 fives are, 5 za no. 2 fives are, 2 6 are. Skip counting 2, next 2, 3 4, 2 threes, 5 6, 2 fours, 7 8. Like that you can do the multiplication in a easy way. Okay children, understand? Next one. Come to 3 table. 3 ones, 3. Next 3. Skip counting here also. 3 twos. 3, 4, 5, 6. 3. I told you the same numbers. 2 threes and 3 2 6. Like that you can also do, ma. 3 fours. Sorry, 3 threes. I forgot. 3 threes are, okay children, say in the stay way. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 6 are 18. 3 sevens. How many? 21. 3 how many times? 8 times. 3 8 times 24. 3 9 27. 3 tens 30. You can skip counting of 3 means 3 tables. Skip counting of 5 means 5 table, like that. Okay. Tens means 10 20. Only 0 will remain the same, and 1 tens place you will get another number. Okay children, in 4th place 4. 2 tables and 3 tables. 2 ones are 2. Say one time with me, repeat. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 sevens 14, 2 eights 16, 2 nines 18, 2 tens 20. 3 ones 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Here with the examples we can look at children one time. Here 3 fours 12. Okay. How many 3's ma? Here see these leaves 3. How many groups you are drawing? 1, 2, 3. 3 times. 3 times. Here is the 1 group, 2 group, 3 times. Here is the 1, 2, 3. 3 and here 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 threes, 9. Got it now? Okay. This is called the factors and this is called the product. If you multiply any number with 1, you will get the same number. Okay? And any number with the 0 is the 0 only. 1 0 the 0, 2 0 the 0. Not the same number. Whereas in the addition, the same number you will get. Here 1, in the addition it will be increased, but in here 1 multiplication, in 1 it will be the same number. Don't get confused. Multiplication means doing the problems very easier in such a way that adding more times. Okay? Adding the product more times. Repeated adding. Repeatedly. If you add the things, you will get multiplication is nothing but, and the symbol is x. X. You practice this multiplication and come tomorrow. We will do some more problems. Okay children, 1 digit multiplication and 2 digit multiplication we will learn in the next class. Okay ma, bye. Don't get confused and don't be afraid of mathematics. If you learn in a easy way, it will be very easy. It is not difficult. Okay? Just remember that addition is multiplication, both are related to each other. Okay children? Have a nice day. Bye.